Hey guys, how's it going? Courtney Drain with Affordable Home Services over here in Pasadena, and we've got a roof claim today. So got my guy there flying the drone, and he works for a company that contracts with Swyfft insurance, and so they don't actually get on the roof. They just fly this drone, and they spot the damage. So there's some damage right there that he's taking a look at, and he's gonna get a bunch of pictures. He said he's actually gonna get like 550 pictures out of this, which is pretty cool. So I think there's some pros and cons to this. I mean, it is a 4K camera, so I'm pretty sure they can see that damage up nice and close and really defined. But you know, I think a lot of people, including myself, would probably, you know, prefer to have someone actually get up on the roof and actually be able to see it, feel it, all that kind of stuff. But you know, I don't know, maybe this is the future. This is pretty cool stuff, and just wanted to give you guys an idea of how Swyfft handles most of their claims. I've heard pretty good things about Swyfft. I haven't heard too many people in our company having issues with them. They seem to treat their customers fairly, and everyone that I've talked to from their customer service and the desk adjusters are really nice. So if you're looking for a policy, maybe consider them if they have some good rates and you know, it works out for you. But yeah, I just want to give you guys an idea of what this looks like, and yeah, I'm just going to enjoy watching this drone fly around, and hopefully when the guy submits all these pictures, homeowner will be taken care of, and we'll have a new roof going up here. All right, have a good day, guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Spend time with your families. I'm out of here.